In this lesson, we'll create a new assembly and begin to add the components into it. Let's start a new assembly. Double-click the assembly's name in the tree to define its properties. Enter the designation 123.00.00 and name Self-Centering Vise. Save it in the root folder of the assembly where its parts are located. Let's start the assembly with the base that we created in the previous lessons. Start the Add a Component from a File command, go to the Base folder, and select the base assembly file. Place it at the origin. Confirm. We don't need another base, so press Escape to stop the command. The next part we're going to add is the fork claim plate. We'll use the by matings method now again. We need to place the plate under the base with these slots facing down. Click the coincidence mating. This plate face should coincide with this base face. The plate has moved, but its slots are on the top side. Check reverse orientation to turn the plate upside down. That's better. Confirm. There are several ways to fully define the plate position. For example, you can use the coincidence of the plane faces, this and this. Alternatively, you can use the coaxial mating for the holes. Let me use the second way. It seems more logical. Select the cylindrical face of the plate hole and the corresponding cylindrical face of the base. Click Coaxial. Repeat for the other holes. The plate has taken the correct position. Confirm and stop the command. The plate has appeared in the tree. The next part we need to add is the fork. Start the command. Select the fork. Open. Click by matings. We'll place it into the square hole. The lower fork face should coincide with the bottom of the hole. Select the plane faces to coincide. Next, we'll use the coincidence of the system planes. Select the ZY planes, the red ones. Coincidence. And the XY planes, the blue ones. Click Coincidence. Confirm and stop. The fork has appeared in the tree. Let me save the model.